All right, so we are going to create our own color folder, right? Usually when you're working in groups, you may want to save your folder so you could go back to it and it'll have all of the colors that you worked on in that group, right? So what I want to do is to open up the folder and let's call it Spring Summer 24 yarn colors, right? Okay. Now, I pulled this off of WGSN, right? It's from Pitti Filati. They're a huge yarn show. They do 2 a year in Italy where all of the Italian yarn makers go, like yarn manufacturers. It's just outstanding. When I worked at Talbot's, we would go every year and work with the yarns there, and they're just simply incredible, and it's so inspiring. So let's say I want to take a few of these colors. I don't want all of them. I'm going to go and create my own color folder, right? So I created the folder. Now I'm going to start adding my colors. So it's going to take that blue that I have there, swatch number 1, and I'm going to call this color Ocean. So we have that there, right? I want to use this pink. So what we could do is to take the eyedropper, right? I'm going to have to go into the different layers. Let's just say we go here, right? You see how light this is? So if you wanted to have a little more pigment like the color, I kind of just play around with it. Maybe it'll be a little, yeah, there we go. And I think that kind of matches. It might be a little too, there we are. Now what I need to do, it's in my color box over here. I just need to add the color. We'll call it Bubblegum and add that, right? Now I want to use this turquoise color, right? Because this is brought in from a screenshot, it's really not grabbing the colors the way that I want to. So I'm just going to play around with it and then get the closest to that color that I want. I think it's a little cleaner. There we go. Right? It's over in my box here. So I go there and I click OK. Now, maybe I want to bring in this really clean light gray, right? So let's click on that. Oof, that's really purple. We don't want that. So I'm just going to move my color. And you know what? I wanted more blue cast, that gray, so let's go up here. There we go. Again, it's in my box. Now I want to go up and add it to my color story, right? Maybe we want to add one more color. Maybe this yellow would be nice. So let's try and pick that. See what color we get. Nothing good. So let's move this. Go down to the yellow. I want it a little cleaner. That's good. Then I'm going to click OK, right? It's over there. And I'm going to add it to my color story. Let's say you don't like it. You're like, you know what? I'm not loving this. Just click on that color and hit delete, swatch, and then it's gone. All right, so I'd like you guys to one, create your own color story for your project and create a folder for it. Then what I would do is name it accordingly, whether you're working for spring summer 24 or fall winter 24-25. Just name that folder accordingly.